Finally, a trip to Paris. I'm coming to see my younger sister. First things first, let's grab a croissant. Honestly, I think any bakery in Paris is just incredible. So you can walk in the first one you see, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy. The next station is Burna Boy concert. I've been dying to see him perform live. His energy is simply unmatched. Getting ready to go out. Wanted to show you, look, which babies Sophia has at her home. This one. What's the name of this one?
Peepee Boy.
Peepee Boy. So cute. We bought him when he was so much smaller. Now he has so many lives already. Very cute. After an amazing lunch in Japanese restaurant, we decided to explore the National Library of France. FYI, the entrance is free. We just got the coffee at the bibliothèque. It was nice weather. After visiting the library, we decided to stop by Uniqlo to see what's new and then just take a little walk around the city. Enjoying our time here in the park. So nice. We walked a lot. Yeah, just relaxing a bit in the beautiful park. So nice. Now I will show you my favorite bakery, Bo and Me. I'm in love with their caramelized puff pastry. They have multiple locations in the city, so make sure to check them out on your next trip to Paris. very chocolatey. It's really good. Another day?
Another sleigh. Period.
Yes, we are going to another restaurant. It's the famous one, something Entrecote. I don't know how to pronounce all of that, but we know there's gonna be a big line because usually like people wait there like 40 minutes to an hour. I hope we will be lucky one because we go there for lunch. But we'll see. A little spoiler from the future, the line took us 40 minutes to finally get a table. Is it worth it? I would say that it's close to a toxic relationship. You know you will have to wait a long time, but you still can't resist. Even though there is only one position on the menu, which is actually quite unique, the food was totally worth the hype, so I would rank it 9 out of 10. Another free activity to add to your Paris vacation list is visiting the Petit Palais. My sister brought me to this cute Vietnamese flower coffee shop. The Vietnamese iced latte is made with condensed milk. I would definitely recommend it to try. The only thing to keep in mind, it is quite full and we were lucky to get a table. On our last evening, we ended up soaking wet under the heavy rain since none of us had an umbrella, which made the trip truly unforgettable.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.